Kenmore Appliance Repair Service in Los Angeles specializes in Kenmore Appliance Repair, Kenmore Washer Repair, Kenmore Dryer Repair, Kenmore Refrigerator Repair, Kenmore Freezer Repair, Kenmore Ice Maker Repair, Kenmore Ice Machine Repair, Kenmore Cooktop Repair, Kenmore Vent Hood Repair, Kenmore Range Repair, Kenmore Oven Repair, Kenmore Undercounter Repair, Kenmore Trash Compactor Repair, and Kenmore Wine Cooler Repair. No matter what is wrong with your Kenmore appliance, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.